So we're trying to figure out who exactly is giving Lucy her orders and from where. So I broke down her data into smaller packets.
She can't detect us?
We're like people standing on an overpass watching cars go by underneath. She has no idea.
Perfect.
So I pulled this one from the first set of packets. It's a string of MAC addresses, all humanics currently online and connected to the central server. Check this one out.
Finland?
Not so fast.
It's changing.
Right.
Media access addresses don't change like that.
Correct. Hence the...
What's happening?
I have no idea.
I thought we couldn't be detected.
So did I.
I understand. I'll take care of it. It's okay. Is this what you're talking about?